Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to share my impressions regarding LEGO Speed Champions set 76916, new set of 2023. This is the Porsche 963 and of course we have a pilot, a very cool minifigure with interesting print. This minifigure as usually has additional hair, or you can use a racing helmet, of course. Also this set has second set of discs and a wrench to change these discs. The only one function is opening cabin. The cabin can fit only one minifigure because it's a racing car and no passenger here. And yeah, the second function, we can roll this model, nothing special here. Regarding the building process, I think this model is not the most complex model in Speed Champions series. Actually, I think this building process is simpler than process of other sets, but maybe if this set is the first from this series in your collection, of course you will have a lot of pleasure during the building process, especially if you like stickers. There are a lot of stickers. I can show, yeah, this empty sticker sheet, and most of these stickers fit each other to form some pictures, some patterns, and it's a really annoying process. I don't like it at all. Stickers wise, this set is one of the worst Speed Champions sets. I remember Lamborghini with a lot of stickers, with a bunch of stickers, and this set also has a lot of them, and it contains almost no printed pieces. I think only this canopy, windshield, something like this. Even this curved slopes, maybe, yeah, usually they have prints with headlights, for example, but now here we have also sticker. But in general the model looks pretty nice. I think it has mirrors, it has front lights, but without proper mounting, and I like the rear part. You can see a lot of lights here and it's cool. Also here we have spoiler and it has some kind of inclination like in real cars. And like many other Speed Champions sets, this set has no reference to the original car, no additional information, actually nothing in the instruction book, and as usually just a very small picture on the back side of the box with the original car, and that's all. I don't like it, and yeah, I'm telling it not for the first time, because it's some missed opportunity to give more information and to make the assembling process more interesting, to give some facts to fans, to LEGO fans and to Porsche fans. But here we have nothing, but it's a common situation for all these Speed Champions cars. But yeah, once again, I like how it looks in general, pretty nice car, and maybe we will get more cars from Le Mans series. Actually, yeah, here you can see a logo on the box, and it will be cool to play with these cars together. And I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!